Kedah, a kayaker's paradise. Imagine a place where emerald waters lap against lush green shores. Picture towering limestone cliffs draped in vibrant foliage. This is Kedah, a hidden gem nestled on the northwest coast of Peninsular Malaysia. Here, ancient rainforests meet the shimmering Andaman Sea, creating a kayaker's paradise. Kedah's intricate network of rivers, lakes and islands offers a unique perspective of its natural beauty. Glide through tranquil mangroves, their tangled roots teeming with life. Paddle across glassy lakes, where the sky reflects like a mirror. Explore hidden coves and caves, their walls whispering tales of centuries past. Whether you seek adventure or tranquility, Kedah's waterways promise an unforgettable experience. So grab your paddle, don your life vest, and let's uncover the hidden kayaking gems of this magical region. Paddling through paradise. Sungai Kilim's mangrove Majesty. Sungai Kilim Nature Park, a sprawling reserve in Langkawi, is a kayaker's dream. Imagine gliding through a labyrinth of emerald green mangroves, their roots arching over the water like ancient guardians. Sunbeams pierce the canopy, casting dappled patterns on the tranquil surface. The air hums with the sounds of nature. Kingfishers, their plumage a flash of turquoise, dive for fish. Mud skippers, those curious amphibians, skip along the mudflats. Keep your eyes peeled for macaques swinging through the trees, their playful antics a delight to behold. As you navigate the narrow channels, the scent of salt air mingles with the earthy aroma of the mangroves. It's a sensory symphony that envelops you, transporting you to a world untouched by time. Sungai Kilim is more than just a kayaking destination. It's a journey into the heart of Malaysia's natural heritage. Tasik Bera, where the sky meets the water. Tasik Bera, Malaysia's largest freshwater lake, is a birdwatcher's paradise. Imagine launching your kayak onto its vast mirror-like surface. The sky stretches endlessly above, reflected in the water below. A gentle breeze whispers through the reeds, carrying with it the scent of wildflowers. As you paddle silently across the lake, keep your eyes peeled for feathered wonders. Herons stand motionless on lily pads, their long necks poised for a catch. Egrets, their white plumage gleaming in the sunlight, wade in the shallows. And if you're lucky, you might even spot the majestic Brahmani kite soaring overhead, its distinctive call echoing across the water. Tasik Bera is a place of profound tranquility. The stillness of the water, the vastness of the sky, and the symphony of birdsong create a sense of peace that permeates your very being. Here you can truly disconnect from the outside world and reconnect with the rhythms of nature. Langkawi Geopark Kayaking through time. Langkawi Geopark, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, offers a kayaking adventure unlike any other. Imagine paddling through towering limestone formations, sculpted by millennia of wind and waves. These ancient giants rise from the emerald waters like sentinels, their sheer cliffs adorned with verdant vegetation. Explore hidden caves and lagoons, their walls etched with ancient fossils. Discover secluded beaches, their white sands lapped by crystal-clear waters. The geopark's intricate network of waterways offers endless possibilities for exploration. As you navigate these geological wonders, you'll feel a sense of awe at the power of nature. These formations, millions of years in the making, stand as a testament to the Earth's enduring beauty. Kayaking through Langkawi Geopark is like taking a journey through time, a chance to witness the artistry of nature on a grand scale. Pulau Paya Marine Park, a protected sanctuary teeming with marine life, promises an unforgettable kayaking and snorkeling adventure. Imagine paddling over crystal-clear waters, their depths revealing a kaleidoscope of colours. Schools of fish, their scales shimmering in the sunlight, dart beneath your kayak. Don your snorkeling gear and dive into this underwater wonderland. Coral reefs, a vibrant tapestry of life, teem with fish of every shape and size. Clownfish peek out from their anemone homes, while parrotfish graze on the coral, their beaks crunching like castanets. Pulau Payar is a reminder of the beauty and fragility of our oceans. As you glide through this underwater paradise, you'll be filled with a sense of wonder and a renewed appreciation for the importance of protecting these precious ecosystems. Sungai Sedim, renowned for its whitewater rafting, offers a kayaking experience that's both exhilarating and serene. Imagine paddling through rapids, their churning waters testing your skills and raising your adrenaline levels. Feel the spray of the river on your face as you navigate the twists and turns of the waterway. But Sungai Sedim is not all about adrenaline-pumping action. As you venture further upstream, the river mellows, transforming into a tranquil oasis. Here, you can glide through peaceful stretches, surrounded by lush rainforest and the soothing sounds of nature. Sungai Sedim offers the best of both worlds, the thrill of adventure and the tranquility of nature. It's a place where you can push your limits and find your peace, all in the space of a single kayaking journey. Bukit Mertajam Forest Reserve, a haven of peace and quiet, offers a kayaking experience that's truly rejuvenating. Imagine paddling along serene streams, their surfaces like mirrors reflecting the surrounding greenery. The air is fresh and clean, filled with the sounds of birdsong and the rustling of leaves. As you glide through the forest, keep an eye out for monkeys swinging from the trees and exotic birds flitting through the undergrowth. The reserve is home to a wealth of flora and fauna, making it a paradise for nature lovers. Bukit Mertajam is the perfect place to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life. The tranquility of the water, the beauty of the surroundings, and the gentle pace of kayaking create a sense of peace that will stay with you long after you've left. Sungai Merbok, a sprawling mangrove forest, offers a kayaking adventure that's both mysterious and enchanting. Imagine paddling through a labyrinth of tangled roots, the air thick with the smell of salt and earth. Sunlight filters through the dense canopy, casting eerie shadows on the water. The silence is broken only by the gentle lapping of water against your kayak and the occasional splash of a fish. Crabs scuttle along the mudflats, while kingfishers perch on low branches, their bright plumage a stark contrast to the muted greens and browns of the mangroves. Sungai Merbok is a place of hidden beauty, a world unto itself. As you explore its winding waterways, you'll feel a sense of adventure and a deep connection to the natural world. Sungai Badak, a hidden gem tucked away in the heart of Kedah, offers a kayaking experience that's both peaceful and picturesque. Imagine paddling along its calm waters, surrounded by lush greenery and the sounds of nature. The river winds its way through rice paddies and small villages, offering glimpses of local life. As you glide along, you'll be greeted by the smiles of children playing by the water's edge and the gentle waves of farmers tending their fields. The air is fresh and clean, and the pace of life is slow and relaxed. Sungai Badak is the perfect place to unwind and reconnect with nature. Its peaceful atmosphere, stunning scenery, and glimpse into local life make it a truly special kayaking destination. From the mangrove mazes of Sungai Kilim to the tranquil waters of Sungai Badak, Kedah offers a kayaking adventure for every taste. Whether you seek adrenaline-pumping rapids or peaceful paddles through pristine nature, Kedah's hidden gems await. So grab your paddle, embrace the spirit of adventure, and discover the magic of Kedah from the water.